Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be discussing the count. So, the count function actually helps you count the number of cells that has values. Now, the values could either be X or number or both. Now, let us actually discuss count. So, this is just products, quantities, all those things. Now, here is a cell from cell A2 down to cell B17, that is from this way or this way. Now, count is used to count group of cells that has numbers. Now, if I put equals to, I put count, now look at the description. Count the number of cells in a range that contains number. So count only work with number. If I click from here, shift and control arrow down, I hit on close the bracket and hit on enter. So I have 16. So 16 cells from here to this portion has numbers. Now supposing I delete this particular guy, observe something, 15, because there is no number here again. So that is count. Now if you want to do count for letters, now for instance, I do something of this nature. I come to this place, shift and control arrow down, and I close the bracket. It will tell me 0 because there is no cell here that contains number. That is count. It only counts group of cells that has numbers. But counter or count A, whichever you choose to call it, counts the group of cells that has both numbers and letters. So for instance, if I say count A, my bracket, this place, shift and control arrow down. Sorry, there's a mistake there. Let me repeat it again. Count A. From this place, shift and control arrow down. Let me click here again. Shift and control arrow down. And I close the bracket. It counts it. I have 16. So if I come to this place again and I cancel it and I say count A from this place, covering, you may click this, covering this place and this place, close the bracket, hit on enter. I have 31. The reason is because there's no number here. So if I put something here, number or a letter, it will count it for us automatically. You see, it has counted 32. Why this one can't 16? Because we have done 8 before. So that is what count basically does. It counts group of that has numbers. So even for the count A, it counts and repetitive words. So if diary repeats itself as many times as possible, it will also stay counted. So that is just all about count. So there are instances where you need it and you know when to apply. Thank you, and that is all for this lesson. Bye.